Two nuns and their two novices were heckled and forced to get off a train by the members of the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, suspecting them of conducting religious conversion. The said incident took place at Jhansi in Uttar Pradesh. Only after an inquiry at the railway station established there was no conversion involved, the nuns and novices were allowed to proceed with their journey. The ABVP is the students' wing of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, the ideological mentor of the BJP. Home Minister Amit Shah has promised an action in this case. Those involved in the Jhansi nuns harassment incident will be brought before the law, Mr. Shah said today. The incident that took place on Friday generated a huge uproar, prompting Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan to write to Mr. Shah asking for strict action. Such incidents tarnish the image of the nation and its ancient tradition of religious tolerance. Such incidents require utmost condemnation by the union government. I would request your kind intervention to instruct authorities to take strict action on all groups, individuals who disrupt, impair the freedom of individual rights guaranteed by the Constitution, Mr. Vijayan wrote in his letter. The nuns had boarded the Haridwar Puri Utkal Express on March 19. A 25 seconds long video, now doing rounds on the social media, shows the women surrounded by some men, some of whom appear to be policemen. Go get your luggage, you will be sent home if what you are saying is correct, a man is heard saying in the video. Why are you indulging in Netagiri? One person asks. Arey what Netagiri? Chaliye madam, jaldi uthao saman, another man is heard saying. Several other photographs and videos emerging on social media showed the women on the railway platform and then inside what appeared to be Jhansi railway police station. In a detailed statement later, the Superintendent of Railway Police, Naeem Khan Mansoori, said there were some members of the ABVP who were returning from a training camp in Rishikesh on board the Utkal Express to Jhansi. 4 Christian ladies were travelling on the same train from Hazrat Nizamuddin in Delhi to Roorkela in Odisha. 2 of them were nuns and 2 were under training. These members of the ABVP suspected that these 2 nuns were taking the other 2 women for conversion because the nuns were speaking to other ladies. On this suspicion, they informed the Railway Protection Force, who in turn informed the Railway Police. These ABVP members also gave a written complaint about conversion. I reached the spot and made inquiries. These inquiries revealed that the 2 other women were from Odisha's Roorkela and were under training. We checked their certificates and both had 2003 baptism certificates, and these proved that both women by birth were Christian and that no conversion was involved. After this, we sent all 4 women onwards to their destination in Odisha.
सामान लेके आओ, आपको भिजवा दिया जाएगा, ऐसी बात नहीं है, आप चिंता मत करो। हाँ, अगर आप सही नहीं, अगर सही है तो आपको भिजवा दिया जाएगा। अरे बाहर चलो, नेतागिरी कर रहे हैं। अरे नेतागिरी करते तो अभी तक पता कैसे चलता? हो गया, चलो आइए मैडम, आइए, गाड़ी छूट जाएगी। जल्दी बारो, सामान निकालना देखना। हाँ निकालो, जल्दी, काम नहीं है तुम्हारे लिए, हमें बैठने के लिए, जल्दी उठाओ इसको।
देखिए, ये कुछ अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद के कुछ सदस्य थे जो ऋषिकेश से ट्रेनिंग कैंप से वापस आ रहे थे झांसी। उसी ट्रेन में उत्कल एक्सप्रेस में हजरत निजामुद्दीन से राउरकेला के लिए 4 क्रिश्चियन लेडीज यात्रा कर रही थी, जिसमें से 2 नन थी और 2 लेडीज अंडर ट्रेनिंग थी जो दिल्ली में ट्रेनिंग कर रही थी। तो ये अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद के सदस्यों को ऐसा शक हुआ कि शायद ये 2 नन जो हैं वो 2 अन्य लेडीज का धर्म परिवर्तन के लिए ले जा रही, क्योंकि वो उनसे आपस में बात कर रही थी। तो इस शक पर उन्होंने 182 पर कंट्रोल रूम को सूचना दी, आरपीएफ को। आरपीएफ ने जीआरपी को बताया। तो झांसी स्टेशन पर कुछ अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद के लोगों ने ये कहा कि इनको उतारकर पूरी जांच की जाए, और अजय शंकर तिवारी जी के द्वारा एक तहरीर दी गई कि 2 युवतियां, ये संबंधित 2 युवतियों का धर्म परिवर्तन करा रही है, इसकी पूरी जांच की जाए और आवश्यक कार्रवाई की जाए। उसके पश्चात प्रभारी निरीक्षक झांसी सुनील कुमार सिंह और मैं मौके पर पहुंचे, प्रकरण की पूरी जांच की। तो पता चला कि 2 युवतियां जो राउरकेला उड़ीसा की थी, जो ट्रेनिंग कर रही थी दिल्ली में, उनकी जांच की गई, उनके सर्टिफिकेट की जांच की गई। तो दोनों लड़कियों के पास से बैप्टिज्म सर्टिफिकेट मिला जो 2003 का था। बैप्टिज्म सर्टिफिकेट क्रिश्चियन रिलीजन में नामकरण का होता है, तो जिससे ये प्रूफ हो गया कि दोनों युवतियां बाई बर्थ ही क्रिश्चियन थी। उनको किसी प्रकार का धर्मांतरण नहीं कराया जा रहा था, ये केवल उनको एक शक था जिसका निराकरण किया गया। इसके बाद मामले को शॉर्ट आउट करके संबंधित दोनों युवतियों को और दोनों नन को अपने गंतव्य के लिए राउरकेला उड़ीसा रवाना किया गया।
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth. They represent India's aspirations. They represent India's hopes. They represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call startup stories. It is a curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories, and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.